Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 8.2 question number 4. So look at the question: sin 30, tan 45, cosecant 60, 30, 45, 60. All these are special angles. We can get the value through table. So this is a table value I have written here. So how to write this shortly, I have uploaded the video already that you can check it. Now let us take the value from the table. First value we need is sin 30. So sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, write it 1 by 2 plus tan 45, so tan 45 is 1, write it 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1 minus cos 60, cosecant 60. Cosecant is nothing but sine reciprocal. So sine 60 value we have to do the reciprocal to get your cosecant value. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Definitely cosecant 60 will be 2 by root 3. Write it 2 by root 3 divided by secant 30. Secant 30 is nothing but cos reciprocal. So cos 30 reciprocal will give you secant 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant will be 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 plus cot 45. So cot 45 degree and tan 45 degree are reciprocal. So tan 45 1, cot 45 also 1. So 1 by 1 we can write it. Look at the numerator and denominator. We have a common term, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 is common in both the numerator and denominator. First you just do it in your rough column. So here we have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1. So do the LCM. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. Denominator 1 2s are 2. So 3 by 2 is your value. That is answer for 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1. Answer is 3 by 2. So we can take this away. We can write it 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 we are getting for the numerator. For denominator we are getting 2 by root 3 plus, if you are adding these two numbers, 3 by 2 is our answer. Just write it 3 by 2. Now here we can take the LCM for numerator and denominator now. So this is a rough column. So let us take the numerator and denominator LCM. For 2 and root 3 the LCM is 2 root 3. So here this root 3 will be multiplied here. Root 3 into 3, 3 root 3 minus 2 2s are, it will be 4. Denominator again, for 2 and root 3 the value will be 2 root 3 is our LCM. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 we are getting. Now denominator fraction, if you take it to the numerator it will become reciprocal. So numerator first you write as it is. Then from the denominator fraction we are going to take it up, that will become the reciprocal. So 2 root 3 by 4 plus 3 root 3. This is what we are getting. 2 root 3 will get cancelled. So here we are getting numerator 3 root 3 minus 4. Denominator we have 4 plus 3 root 3. During addition if you are changing the place, nothing will happen. The same value will be getting. So 3 root 3 plus 4 we are getting. So since the denominator having the root number, we are going for rationalization. So for rationalization is very simple. Here we are going to, so here we can't leave the problem as it is because denominator having some root value. Let us go for rationalizing. Rationalizing is very simple. You just take the question as it is now. Multiple by denominator, the term is given in plus sign. We have to multiply and divide by the minus sign. 3 root 3 plus 4 means we have to multiply and divide by 3 root 3 minus 4. So why we are doing like this means then only the root of the denominator will get cancelled. Look at the denominator, it is a plus b, this is a minus b. A plus b into a minus b will be written as, so here I am just writing a plus b and a minus b. Whenever you are getting, the answer will be a squared minus b squared. So this we can apply and we can get the value. So denominator looking like a plus b, a minus b, the formula will be a squared minus 4 squared. So the numerator, normally we can multiple or we can write it the whole squared formula. So I am doing normal multiplication first of all. So 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, if you are multiplying, 3 3s are 9, root 3 into root 3, 3. So 9 3s are 27. And next one, 3 root 3 into 4, so 4 3s are 12, root 3, so minus 12 root 3 we are getting. Next one, minus 4 into 3 root 3, 4 3s are 12, minus is there, so minus 12 root 3. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, this is what we are getting in the numerator. Denominator, let us do the simplification now. So here the 21 plus 16 will give you 43 This one both are root 3 but both are minus sign. So minus 12 will give you minus 24 root 3 divided by denominator. When you are squaring this 3 it will become 9. So this will become 9. This is root 3 square will give you 3. So 9 3s are 27. 3 root 3 square, that means 3 root 3 square means first we need to square this 3. 3 3s are 9. Then root 3 also we have to go for the square. Square and square root will get cancelled. So 9 3s are 27. Likewise only we are getting this. Minus 16. So here 43 minus 24 root 3 by here 11. 27 minus 16 is 11. That is your correct answer for this problem. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.